This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the keys you need, the top row digits and the numeric keypad if present. Once found, enable numlock on laptops or external keyboards. This activates the numpad so numbers register. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your language settings, because why something types differently. Press each key, 1 through 0 and numpad 1 through 0, to confirm they produce digits. If they don't, check for a function, FN, key that toggles alternate modes, then continue with input techniques. Now you expand how you use number keys. Hold Shift to access symbols above the top row digits. This is faster than switching layouts. Once comfortable, use Alt codes on a Windows PC with the numpad. Hold Alt, type the numeric code, release to produce special characters. This avoids character palettes. Make sure FN or modifier layers aren't remapping keys. Laptops often swap functions. If you need repetitive sequences, record a macro or use text expansion to paste numbers quickly and reliably into. To finish, verify that the digits appear where you want them in a field, spreadsheet, or calculator, and use copy/paste for long or precise numbers to prevent mistakes. Once done, format numeric input as needed, commas, decimals, so downstream systems accept it. If something goes wrong, make sure numlock and FN states are correct, update or reinstall keyboard drivers, and confirm your OS keyboard layout. As a quick tip, reconnect or swap keyboards to rule out hardware faults before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.